Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to share with you how to make this fern leaf with crochet. So to make this I have used chain stitches, slip stitches and single crochet stitches, and I did this starch to this leaf to get this firm structure. So to make this I have used this thin cotton thread. Here I made 2 layers of this thin thread, and for this thread I am going to use crochet hook of size 2.0 mm. Now as you can see, this fern leaf is made with number of small leaves. So this one small leaf is called pinnae, and under that you can see very small leaves. So this small leaves called pinnules. And here to make the leaves we have just repeated the stitches. So I will show you one leaf, then with the same pattern you have to make the remaining leaves, and in this video I'm going to show you one side. So I will show you from bottom to top, and this side is just the repetition of the stitches from another side. So before we start to make this leaf, I would request you, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel so you get to know my more creation and ideas. So let's see how we are going to make this fern leaf. So first we are going to make this stamp. So to make this stamp you have to make chain 13. So make a slip knot in your hook. Now make chain 13. So 13 chain. Now skip your first chain. When you turn your work you can see this knots are there, so we are going to work on this. So skip your first chain and put your hook in this very next knot and make one single crochet, then into the next one single crochet. So like this, make one single crochet till your very last stitch. So we made 12 single crochet stitches and our stem is done. So now we are going to start our first penne. So in this we have total 19 pennules, which is our very small leaves, so total 19 in count. So first we are going to make chain 6. After chain 6 skip first chain, and in next 5 chain stitches make one slip stitch. So one pennule, same like this you have to make 2 more. Make chain 6, skip first chain, and next 5 chain make one slip stitch. So we made 1, 2 and 3. Now 4 and 5 we are going to make chain 5. Skip first chain and in next 4 chains make 1 slip stitch. So 4 is done. Same as 4, make 5, make chain 5, skip first chain and next 4 stitches make 1 slip stitch. So we made 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now to make 6 and 7. So to make these 6 and 7 you have to make chain 4. Skip first chain and in next 3 chains make 1 slip stitch. So 6, same like 6, make 7. So we made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now 8 to 12 we have to make chain 3. Skip first chain and in next 2 stitches make 1 slip stitch. So 8, same as 8, make 9, 10, 11 and 12. So we made one side. So in one side you will have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 panels. Now we are going to start our work in this side. So at the last we made 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now take your hook into the very starting 8th number stitch. So here you can see this space. Here you make just slip stitch. So you can see this 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So the third one, which is 10th number, it's come in top and 11 and 12 come to this side. So we made this top side. Now we are going to repeat these stitches and going to make the finial same as this side. So here this is 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 finial is there. So same as how we made the 6th and 7th, we are going to make this side. So 6 and 7 we made with chain 4. Skip first chain and in next 3 stitches make 1 slip stitch. Now we have to join this pennule to the main leaf. So what you have to do, to the corresponding pennule to the other side, so this is our 7th pennule, so at the same space, here you can see this space, here you just make 1 slip stitch to join this together. So by that this 2 will come in parallel. Now make the pennule same as 6th number, so make chain 4, skip first chain and in next 3 stitches make 1 slip stitch. Now make a slip stitch into corresponding pennule here. So as you can see, this both the sides will come in parallel. Now we are going to make pennule same as 4 and 5. So to make the 4 and 5 we have used chain 5, then skip first chain and then next 4 chains make 1 slip stitch. So 4 slip stitches. Now in the corresponding space make 1 slip stitch. Again make 1 more. Then in corresponding space make 1 slip stitch. So we made this one. Now in last 3, 1, 2 and 3, here we have to just again repeat these stitches same as 1, 2 and 3. Make chain 6, skip first chain and in next 5 chain make 1 slip stitch. Then make this slip stitch to the corresponding space and repeat 2 more time with chain 6 and 5 slip stitches. So we made our first pinnet, and here we have in total 19 pinole, which is the small leaves, to make this one big leaf. Now we are going to make this stalk. So to make this, make chain 7. After chain 7, now you have to repeat these stitches same as first one, and make second and third pinnet same as first one. So repeat these stitches, make total 19 small leaves, 3 with chain 6, 2 with chain 5, then 2 with chain 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 with chain 3, and this side repeat same as stitches of this side and complete second, then make chain 7 and then make third one same as first one. So I will complete all my 2. So I have completed all 3. Now we are going to work on 4 and 5. So I'll show you the 4th one. You have to just repeat these stitches same as 4th to make the 5th one. Now make chain 6. Now we are going to work on our 4th pinole. So in the 4th pinole we have total 15 pennets, same as in the previous one we have 19. So after chain 7, now we are going to make our first 1, 2 and 3 pinole. So to make this, first make chain 5, skip first chain, and in next 4 stitches make 1 slip stitch. First is done. Same as 1, you have to make 2 and 3. So make chain 5, skip first chain, and in next 4 chains make 1 slip stitch. So we made 1, 2 and 3. Now 4 and 5 we are going to make chain 4, skip first chain, and in next 3 chains make 1 slip stitch. Four is done. Same as 4, make 5, so 4 and 5. So we made 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 penule. Now from 6 to 10 make chain 3, skip first chain, and in next 2 make 1 slip stitch. Two. So same like 6, make 7, 8, 9 and 10 penule. So after 10th pennule, now take your hook in space corresponding to the 6th pennule and make a slip stitch. So like that, this part, this 2 pennule will come this side and this 2 will come this side. Now we are going to repeat these stitches to make the pennule same as this side. So now we are going to work on 4th and 5th pennule to this side. So for make the 4th and 5th, we made chain 4, skip first chain, and in next 3 make 1 slip stitch. Now make the slip stitch to the corresponding space. Make 1 more with chain 4. Now we have to make this 3 pennule same as we made this side. So to make this one, we have used chain 5 and 4 slip stitches. So make 1, 2 and 3 pennule with chain 5 and 4 slip stitches. So our 4th pin is done. Now make chain 6 and make the 5th pin same as 4th one. You have to make total 15 pennule, 3 with chain 5 and 4 slip stitches, 2 with chain 4 and 3 slip stitches, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 with chain 3 and 2 slip stitches, then 11 and 12 with chain 4 and 3 slip stitch, then 13, 14 and 15 with chain 5 and 4 slip stitches. So like that complete 5th pin. So I'm done with my 5th pin. Now we are going to work on 6th one. So far we made 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we are going to work on 6th pin. So to make this, first make chain 5, so after chain 5, now we are going to make the 6th one. So in 6th pin we have total 11 pennule. So first we are going to make 1 2 3 pennule. So first make chain 4. After chain 4, skip first chain and in next 3 chains make 1 slip stitch. So 3 slip stitches and first pennule is done. Same as 1, you have to make 2 and 3, make chain 4, skip first chain and in next 3 stitches make 1 slip stitch. So 3 pennule. Now 4 we are going to make chain 3, skip first chain and in next 2 chain make 1 slip stitch. So same as 4, make 5 6 7 and 8 pennule, make chain 3, skip first chain, then slip stitch in next 2 stitches. Total 8 pennule. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 pennules. Now take your hook into the 4th pennule from this side and make a slip stitch. You will have 2 pennules this side and 2 small one this side. Now we are going to make 1 2 and 3 pennule same as this side. So make chain 4, skip first chain and in next 3 stitches make 1 slip stitch. Now slip stitch to the corresponding space, chain 4, 3 slip stitches. So our 6th penne is done. Now we are going to make the 7th one. So in our 7th penne we have total 7 pennule. So to make this, first make chain 3, after chain 3 we are going to make 1 to 4 pennule with chain 3, skip first chain and in next 2 chain make 1 slip stitch. So 1 is done. Same as 1, make 2, 3 and 4. One, two, three and 4 pennules. Now make one more with chain 3. Then in next 2 make 1 slip stitch. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now take your hook into the third pennule from your hook. So 1, 2 and 3 and make 1 slip stitch. So 1 will come this side and 1 will go this side. Now make 2 more pennules same as before, chain 3 and 2 slip stitches. So our 7th pin is also done. So we made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7th one. Now we come to this top. So top pin is same as the first one. So you have to repeat these stitches same as the first pin which made with total 19 pennule. Then make chain 3 and repeat these stitches same as the first one and made the top one. So I have made the top one. Now we are going to work on this side. So this side is just the replica from this side. You just have to work on the chain stitches now. So what you have to do, so once you made the top one, in this chain 3 from previous rounds make 1 slip stitch. Like this. Now take your hook. So this is the 7th pin from this side. So in this, now you have to make the same replica to another side. Now take your hook, put the hook in the center here. In between these two pin you can find the space, and then first make a slip stitch. Now repeat these stitches same as pin 7 and make 1 pin this side. Then in next chain stitches make 1 slip stitch. Now put your hook in between this two pin here and make slip stitch. Then you have to repeat these stitches same as pin 6 and so on. You have to repeat these stitches in chain stitches, make the slip stitches, and to the opposite side you just have to make the corresponding pin by repeating these stitches. So like this, at the end this will looks like this. If you are using a thin thread like mine, So I will share with you the starch which I have used and how I block this fern leaf. So I'm going to share the pictures of that. But if you are using a different thread and you are getting the shape properly, then you don't need to do this starch. It's up to you. So I hope you have learned from this video. If you have any questions or query, please do let me know in comment section. You can also connect to me through my Insta and Facebook page. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.